Hello students, and welcome to part 2 of lesson 4. Let's do one more example and then summarize our learning. Let's work on simplifying 2 times the cubed root of 750. Again, just like a square root, ignore the 2 times until the end when you need to simplify your answer. So the first step we're going to do is to write our radicand as its prime factorization. So we need to factor 750. We know that anything that ends with a 0 can be divided by 10, so we'll do 10 times 75. 10 is the same as 2, which is prime, times 5, which is prime. 75 is the same as 3, which is prime, times 25. 25 is the same as 5 times 5. So our prime factorization is 2 times 3 times 5 times 5 times 5. So we're going to rewrite the radicand as this prime factorization. So we have 2 times the cubed root of 2 times 3 times 5 times 5 times 5. Since it's a cubed root, we're looking for triplets of factors, which we see right here with our set of 3 factors of 5, which means they can be removed from the cubed root because they're a perfect cube root, which equal 5. Bring everything else down since there's no other triplets of factors. We have 2 times 5 times the cubed root of 2 times 3. The last step is to simplify, and we'll have our final answer. 2 times 5 is 10. Times the cubed root of 2 times 3, which is 6. The 2 times the cubed root of 750 is equal to 10 times the cubed root of 6. With your lesson, you have 6 practice problems, 3 perfect cube roots and 3 non-perfect cube roots. For the perfect cube roots, write what each one equals, the whole number equal to each cubed root. For the non-perfect cube root, remove triplets of factors, perfect cubed roots. So let's review our learning. We learned that cubed roots are a number that can be multiplied by itself 3 times to equal the given number in the radicand. We also learned that cubed roots have 3 parts. Like square roots, they have the radical sign, which you can call the square root symbol or the cube root symbol. They also have a number in the radicand, but the cube roots are different because they have an index of 3. There are 2 types of cube roots that exist. Rational cube roots, which equal a whole number. We can also refer to them as perfect cube roots. And also non-perfect cube roots, which are irrational. If we were to describe the 2 types, we would say that they are different because perfect cube roots, which are rational, always equal a whole number. And non-perfect cube roots, which are irrational, do not equal a whole number. They are between 2 whole numbers. They equal a decimal. To simplify perfect cube roots, we just write the whole number that they equal. And to simplify non-perfect cube roots, we have to remove triplets of factors.